left, and two things on your driver's side, and then on the right is bad. It's a lot.
That's it, we're done.
Stop. You're hooked up on that control line grab. Yeah, like you say, there's not a lot of place to turn around, is there? No. I figure you get stuck on that for sure. Hey, careful, it's a big one. Careful, it's a big one. So it gets real skinny right here. I think that's why he stopped, and then the end is right there. Hopefully you've enjoyed this little excursion so far. It's been fun with these little ledges in quick succession. And so far everyone's made it. There's one last obstacle that's quite the doozy. I think someone's gonna try it, probably. We'll get video of it for sure. And this is the final cabin at the top of Chainsaw Canyon.
and end up on top of that boulder, I think.
Yeah, the one thing you don't want is your passenger climbing that huge undercut.
You want to be to this side of that.
No, you'd never do it.
You kind of want to come in over here and just, you're in trouble. You know? Yeah, that front tire comes up too far and this back gets caught over here, you're in trouble too.
It's going to square you up.
I think you just kind of...
Is this deliverable? Maybe? If it were slick rock,
definitely.
It wouldn't be a thing.
Yeah, this is a little Moab, no problem.
Yeah. It's crazy how a difference in rock.
If you came, so if you got your passenger here, driver there, that's nice and sticky. That's kind of sticky, that's sticky. So I don't know. Let's find out. What's the worst you could do? Roll down here and die? Catch the mountain on fire?
Who's you?
Come on, driver, a little bit. Driver. I don't know if you're going to be able to clear that. Well, just, we've got this tree stump that's kind of sticking out, going to hit with your back tire.
Will he roll over it? Just fine?
I think if he hits it, it's going to push it right into his truck.
Right, I do too.
I don't think you want to hit that.
No, I don't
Hit
either.
it, it's going to slam it into your truck.
Hey, that's quite stuff.
It's not super strong. I think that's going to snap when...
We can pull it and find where we want
Yeah.
Boy's got to come up. Yeah, we've kept forward. He's up against the tree and we're...
Okay, I think...
He doesn't need to initiate.
I think if you end up, I think if he gets all the way over, I can get here.
Not over the poke out part, but kind of over the trunk. You think that'd work? Probably. Just go really, really slow and we'll...
So back up a tiny bit, turning driver. Okay, now, yeah.
Turn back that way a little.
Hold on, he's got that stump all the way
What's
up.
that stump? Is it hitting anything?
Go forward just a tiny
Tell.
bit.
Knock that rock down. Hold on.
Wait, you should wait.
Need my weight. There we go. I just didn't want to flip up harder into it. All right. Oh.
Keep backing up a little bit, the same way, yep. A little bit more. There you go. A little bit more. Okay, now go forward.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, I'll just roll it now. I'm going to need this tree anyway. Just rolling it right up.
Hold on 1 second. There you go.
All right.
You should be good now. Now easy, slow.
And you're off it.
Okay.
Yeah. All of a sudden it gives. Yeah, we were both holding that thing. It's just like, whoa! There it goes.
I was holding it too. I was like, no.
Slow.
Yeah, go nice and slow when we're shaking. Oh yeah, you're clearing it by a lot. You just go straight to 45. gonna have to do like a 900 point turn right here.
It was really well.
Don't mind me.
Oh, yeah, you're gonna want to get that stick out of the way. Don't go up. Don't go up yet.
Him up and you kind of bounce right up it.
You see that video with that side by side.
I know.
But then again, it's a side by side.
I was doing so good that I was like, I'm cutting my losses. I'm not gonna go up that.
Yeah.
I'll drive down this, but I won't drive up it. But well, I guess I probably could have got up this way. That's crazy though, dude. Do people drive up this?
No idea.
Look at that.
It's almost undercut,
That's like
dude.
up to your neck.
That's basically climbing a wall right there.
Yeah, it is. Dude, that wasn't bad.
No.
That wasn't bad at all. I just felt like I was on a roll, so I was like,
Let's go with it.
might as well just go till I get stuck.
That way wasn't an option, huh? Going up and around? No, he was up against a tree.
I thought it smashed into a tree.
Oh.
Stuck into my top.
What was really bad is you were like a half an inch from dropping off the other side.
I feel like going back there's the answer.
Through this far. Come up over here.
I just don't want to get sideways on that hill.
Yeah.
If I turn up on that hill and turn sideways, that's
Yeah.
bad. I'm trying
And I go hard passenger and back up and line you up. That's what I was thinking. Let your rear end goes back, not down.
kind of kick it back. It's so slippery. You can just slide all over the place.
You gonna hit that tree?
Rocks right here is all.
So I'm trying to back up and straighten out.
I think you'll be alright. I think you'll be okay. You'll be alright. Yeah, you're gonna come up over here. Slow, slow, slow. Now you're on solid ground again.
Real quick, where did I go there? You just went over this. Ow. Whoa. Where do you want me for this dive?
This way?
Yeah? Okay. I don't want my rear diff to hang up. I want my tires to hit that. So should I go passenger a little?
I think you go straight.
Your diff's good. It's clear.
You're clear.
Nope.
We're clear.
I can, how caught up am I? What? Can I go through it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can go over.
Which way do you want me going now?
I think you might rotate that rock. Hold on. Stop. Stop. There's a chance you're going to rotate this rock up, and then you're going to be up on it. Yeah, because you're just catching that back lip of that diff. So like,
go super slow and see if it starts lifting.
Hold on, let me see how much room you have, because we can see what it does. And there's a chance it'll stick.
You got a little bit of room still.
You've got 6 inches or so that are pretty safe. Let's see what that does, because the next 6 inches will totally determine it here.
They're going up.
Go just a little farther. It might pop under. Come on. Come on. Woo! You're good, you're good. You're clear now.
Sweet.
Take it nice and slow, baby.
Which way?
Pretty much straight down. Straighten it out.
Also, Skylar, if I feel myself down diving, watch out because I'm gonna.
Oh, I
throw it
will.
out.
I see you do that. I'll move.
Am I gonna hit this little rock? Does it matter? Might as well move it since I know it's there. This is kind of fun, dude. I dig this.
A lot easier coming up.
Alright, baby, get it.
Well done.
Oh, yep, get out of the way.
Just like you did.
You want my rock hammer? You can chip off a little piece of the vein while you're in there.
No.
Like back in the day, how did we know to start mining in this hot place?
Okay, as we got looking around in this area, we found a quick little mine shaft, and obviously it's not wise to explore too deep or get yourself in a risky position, but we can see just where kind of makes a horseshoe bend and loops out, and some light on the other side. So take a quick look inside this mine shaft. What are we finding back here, Jody?
Just little veins of something or other. I can kind of see the glittering. There's something kind of cool down here. There you go. Something right there. Wish I knew how to identify them. That'd be